Ever wondered how to back up and recover data in Linux? Let's dive into the world of data security. In the digital age, data is the new gold. It's the heartbeat of our digital lives, powering everything from personal photos to crucial business documents. But this precious commodity is under constant threat. From hardware failure to malicious cyber attacks, the potential threats to data are numerous and ever-evolving. This is where the importance of regular data backups comes into play. Backups act as your digital safety net, ensuring that even in the face of disaster, your data remains secure and accessible. Now let's talk about Linux. Renowned for its stability and security, Linux offers a reliable platform for your data backup and recovery needs. With a wealth of tools and utilities at your disposal, safeguarding your data with Linux is an achievable goal. So, ready to safeguard your data with Linux? Stay tuned. Now we plunge into the step-by-step process of data backup in Linux. To begin with, the process of data backup in Linux involves a few essential commands. The powerhouse among them is the rsync command. It's a versatile tool that synchronizes files and directories between two locations. Think of it as a meticulous librarian, ensuring that every piece of information is where it should be. The rsync command works in a simple yet effective manner. It compares the source and destination directories, identifies the changes, and then makes the destination match the source. This makes rsync an efficient tool for creating backups, as it only transfers the changes, saving time and resources. Let's unravel the syntax and usage of rsync. A basic rsync command would look something like this. rsync, a /source/directory/destination/directory. Here, A stands for archive mode, which ensures that symbolic links, permissions, timestamps, and other vital information are preserved during the transfer. The /source/directory is where your original data resides, and the /destination/directory is where you want your backup to be. It's like telling your librarian where the books are and where they should go. Now, what if you want to automate this process? That's where the cron command enters the scene. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like operating systems, including Linux. It allows you to schedule tasks, or cron jobs, to run automatically at specified times or dates. Imagine a robot librarian who not only organizes the books but also does it at a set time without you having to remind it. That's cron for you. You can schedule your sync backups to run daily, weekly, or at any interval that suits your needs. To schedule a task with cron, you would use the crontab command followed by E to edit the crontab file. Then you specify the schedule and the task. It might seem a bit complex at first, but with practice, you'll find it's quite straightforward. And there you have it. Your data is now safely backed up, but what if you need to recover it? Now let's venture into the process of data recovery in Linux. It's like a journey back in time to when your data was whole and uncorrupted. But don't worry, it's a journey you won't need a time machine for. All you need is a little command called rsync. rsync, or remote sync, is a powerful Linux utility that synchronizes files and directories between two locations. You can think of it like a bridge connecting your backup data to its original place. It's a smart bridge too. It only transfers the changes or differences from the source to the destination, which saves a lot of time and resources. So, how do we use rsync for data recovery? Well, it's quite simple. The basic syntax of rsync is rsync option source destination. In our case, the source would be your backup directory and the destination would be the directory from which you lost your data. Here's an example. Let's say you have a backup directory called backup and you want to restore data to a directory called my data. You would use the command rsync, a /backup//mydata/. The A option here stands for archive, which preserves the file attributes like permissions, timestamps, and ownership. And voila, your data is back where it belongs, safe and sound. So that's how you can back up and recover your data in Linux. To recap, regular backups are your safety net against data loss, and a reliable recovery process is your lifeline when things go south. Remember, in the tech world, it's not a question of if data loss will happen, but when. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Trailblazer for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep blazing your tech trail.